Okay,
No, you're not shutting your door. Get your ID now. And now it's not fun for you no more. You want to continue playing dumb?
I'm not doing that, sir.
What?
Go!
Just go, Lauren, just go.
On March 9th, 2024, a loud house party turned chaotic when police arrived. Several intoxicated individuals refused lawful orders, leading to pepper spray, tasers, and multiple arrests.
You guys want to sit up there and yell stupid and raise all kinds of issues with us while we're trying to do work and interfere with our scene? Yes, you absolutely are. It's all on my camera. Give me your ID immediately. ID immediately. Get your roommates. I need their IDs as well.
Can I come back to you
Nope.
in like a minute?
Nope. Don't shut your door. ID.
Okay.
Do you think this is a game?
Sir, I didn't know.
Get your ID now.
Okay. Okay,
No, you're not shutting your door. Get your ID
I have
now.
the right.
Get your ID now.
I don't feel comfortable with you opening my door.
I'm not opening your door. I'm holding it open. Get your ID.
Okay.
What do you want to affirm for?
Well, thanks. Huh?
Disorderly behavior.
Yep.
Interference.
Yep. And noise.
And compliance.
But
I'm the only roommate here right
no,
now.
you're not. I want all the girls' names that are.
I just walked through my whole house. I'm the only person here. Ma'am, I'm sorry.
That's fine. That's fine. And the university can contact you guys.
Yeah.
We need your ID though.
Okay. Let me see. Here we go. Here's my ID.
You have your state ID.
My state ID is in here.
Do you know why we're talking to you?
I do not. I have no clue what's...
Everything that you guys were up there yelling at us is on our body cams. So every time we turn around, we can see your faces. So everything that was going on is on camera.
Yeah.
We've just been confused why...
No, you're not confused.
This scene escalates fast. A woman yells she has rights, but refuses to follow orders. Officers remain calm but firm. She keeps shouting and resisting. Things are already getting tense.
12 and all that, that's being confused. I think that's you playing
Telling
dumb
us
now.
we have too many cop cars. Telling us that we're in the way of your pizza.
We don't need 3 cops for one kid.
We have just been...
Yeah. You've been up there talking. It's what you've been doing.
So here's my ID.
And now it's not fun for you no more. Sure to be real fun for you Monday morning.
I have my paper one. It's just that my...
What was the one I seen in the front right there? Is that your fake one or something?
Here's this one.
No, what's the one up front? The fake one. What's that one?
This is mine.
No, what's right there?
This is mine right here.
Okay, so now we're going to play that game too.
That's fine. How old are you?
I am
Brenda's
20.
ID.
You're 20?
And you're drunk, huh? Cool.
I can smell the alcohol on you.
Give me your ID. Give me your ID or turn around and you're under arrest for underage consumption. State ID now. Give me the fake.
This is mine.
The fake ID that we saw that's on
Come on.
camera. You really want to go to jail over a fake ID?
I do not.
Then give it. We have
I'm not
Want
playing.
me to give it to you in that?
This image is absolutely hilarious. It's like she was paralyzed. She couldn't believe that she was actually going to face consequences for her actions. I believe they call this effect the fuck around and find out. Earlier, she was doing the fuck around when she was trying to mess with cops just doing their jobs. And now she's at the find out phase, which is the best part.
I will. If
You want to continue playing dumb?
I'm not doing that, sir.
What's in? Is it this pocket right? Look.
Sure.
What is that?
You can take that, sir.
That you playing dumb, right?
You know, not that it's any of your business, but do you know what we were doing?
Can I please tell you I was not anybody that was saying anything up there. I respect what you guys do.
No, you don't, because you're standing here lying to us and you're refusing to give your information. So no, none of that. Like I said, everything is on camera, so.
Hello?
Can I help you?
Yeah, what's going on?
Do you live here?
No, I'm
Then
just
be gone. Bye.
I'm friends with her.
Bye.
Go. Go.
Come on.
Give me your ID. Give me your ID. You want to play this game? Do you want to play this?
Police demand IDs from everyone. One woman tries to shut the door. Officers force it open. More shouting, more resistance. Tensions rise with every second.
Then get the fuck off the porch. Go.
Just go, just go, just go, just go. I'll go.
Go.
Just go, Lauren, just go.
Go.
No, just go.
You want to interfere with us?
Do not.
I will arrest you right now for obstruction.
I don't.
Then leave.
Go.
Just go, just go, go, go.
Jesus Christ.
No, Vince, go, please, please. Just shut the door and go. Please.
Actually, what are you talking about? I actually want to know what the rights you're talking about. I actually want to know.
This isn't nothing to do with
matter.
it.
I want you. What's the rights you're talking about?
Where's your student? You a student here?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
No, it doesn't matter. What the f*** are you talking about her?
Vince, just go.
Talk to me right now.
Just go.
I don't care that you
Don't
talking to
stop.
her. Don't talk to her.
Vince,
Stop.
please,
Tell me
you're
right
gonna make
now.
it worse.
I don't have
They
any
don't
other
like that. They don't like it. They don't
Tell
like
me
it.
right now what the f*** you're
Vince,
talking about.
go.
Give me your rights
Vince,
right now.
go.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
Oh my God.
Talk right now. Give me your rights.
Stop.
Give me your rights. Give me your rights right now.
Get back.
Give me your rights right now.
Get back.
Abuse your powers right now. I have rights. I know your rights, bro. I know your rights. I know your rights right now. I know your rights. I know your rights, bro.
Oh my God.
I know your rights. I know it. I know it.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Rights.
Now. I can't get him. Give me your hand right here.
An underage girl is found drunk with a fake ID. She's clearly scared but still refuses to hand it over. The mood shifts to serious as officers prepare for arrest.
Buddy.
Get him.
You want to assault me, you piece of shit?
No, you.
Back here.
Oh my God.
You good? Come on. We got pepper spray everywhere. Okay. Come on.
Right.
Get up. Pretend like
I'm not doing.
we got Karen. Right there. Gotta get squad coming. Broke my f***ing glasses.
You are a piece of.
Is she alright? What happened with her?
I got pepper spray. Don't take me. Don't take me.
Shut the hell up.
Thanks for her.
She got pepper spray too, so.
I'm not doing this, bro. What the
You good, Tiff? Yeah, I'm good.
You get you in the face?
Oh, he's f***ing choking me and everything.
I ain't choking your shit. What the f***?
Shut your f***ing mouth.
Shut my f***ing mouth, yeah. That's what you're talking to podcast, bro. Yeah, good job. I have nothing in my pockets. I have nothing in my pockets. Trust me.
I'm slamming her. He was slamming us around.
He's a big boy.
I have nothing going on me. I have nothing on me. Please.
You know him?
I don't know. I have his fake. I'm sorry.
2353.
Hey, look up.
Please. Help me.
Another person enters the scene and interferes. He refuses to leave and challenges officers. His behavior quickly turns aggressive, and he gets pepper sprayed on the spot.
I can't open it.
I know that. I'm trying to wipe the pepper spray off your face.
Put your back. Oh. I'm playing. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's a little too late for that, so why don't you just stop talking? Is there anything that we can... Alright, so here's what's going to happen, alright? Is that you're going to get the referral through the university like we talked about. Originally, we were going to do criminal charges. I'm not sure what that's looking at right now with the underage consumption. right, I don't understand why your friend didn't listen to you.
Okay.
About going inside, so.
Right. It was not up to me, yeah.
I understand that, and I don't fault you at all for his actions, so.
Yeah.
All right.
Is he, what's
He's going to jail. He attacked 2 police officers. He's absolutely going to jail. So, do you have any, is that your boyfriend?
No, it's my friend's boyfriend.
Okay. So, he'll be at the Montgomery County Jail.
Is he a student here? Here's another thing. When you take a shower, use this stuff. This will be, don't just use regular soap.
And my eyeballs.
Well, as close as you can.
Did you give her extra wipes?
Yeah, I gave her some wipes.
All right.
You gave her the
Use dishwasher detergent to get rid of the soap. And my suggestion is go sit in front of a fan for about an hour. Just let that blow on you.
When you're going to get in the shower, and when you take a shower tonight, I know, but you're not a girl. You don't have the problem. So your hair, make sure that you don't wash your hair normal. You need to keep your head back in the shower for as long as you can, like a good 10 minutes. All that stuff was running into your hair.
Yeah. And I'm like, I can't.
What's up?
What's going on?
Nothing.
Did you just get into an accident? No, I need you to stay over here. No, you can't go back in your car right now. Because it's not safe for you to go in your car. Nope, can't go in your car.
Oh, I can't.
Nope. No, you can't.
Oh, I can't.
No, you can't. You're just in an accident.
Oh, it wasn't.
No, you can't go. Nope. Do not go. Do not go. Get out of your car. Get out of your car, sir. Get out of your car. You're being detained.
The man who got sprayed now struggles on the ground. He screams about his rights, but officers stay focused. It's chaotic, loud, and sad to watch.
I need you to get out of your car. Get out of your car. Get out of your car. Because you ran into a different car. Stop recording.
Get the fuck on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! You're gonna get shot! Get the fuck on the ground! You will get shot! Car's clear, car's clear. He's right here. I see him. Get on the ground! Get tased again! Don't fucking move, you understand? Don't move!
He's tased, he's down, we got him.
Okay, can you cuff him? Yeah. Don't fucking move, you got it? Motherfucker. You know, there's something got it. Got him. Oh, we got it. We got one in custody here. In custody, taser deployed. We're 90. I don't know. We just got off 90 off of the Detroit. Stand up.
Eastbound side. 90
Stand up.
Side.
Stand up.
Right before.
Yeah, you motherfucker. Get the
Dude, fuck up, dude.
Not fucking around with you. Get up.
I can't.
Stand up.
I can't stand up.
Stand the fuck up.
Stand up.
I can't. Why not?
With your leg.
Stand the fuck up.
I cannot stand up.
Stand up.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You got
I
in
cannot. You got in here. You get out.
I can't.
You right inside here.
How do you expect? I
You won't get up.
Get up. Get the fuck up right now.
We got him handcuffed. We got him cuffed.
I can't.
A second suspect tries to flee in his car. Officers stop him immediately, tase him, and take him down hard. He refuses to stand up, claiming he cannot.
Yeah. You trying to light off? Yeah. Stand up, dude. Get up. I cannot!
Get up.
Grab his feet, Denny.
Yeah.
We're here, we're good.
Come on, I got one foot. Go this way.
Drag him out this way.
Come on. Get the fuck up, dude.
I'm heavy.
You almost killed a bunch of people.
I-90.
I-90. I'm gonna hand him off to one of you guys. You got him?
Yeah.
Go.
Well. Yeah, keep going. So good. You got a prong. You alright, Scott? Yeah.
Hey, you got that part.
This guy's okay too.
Hey, stay down.
It's done, dude. It's done. Just stop.
Grab your walk this lane.
You.
Stop. You on to you, both. 10 years, 5. I'll find you. I swear to God, I'll shut up. You will. I swear to God. I will. I will. 19 stations. There's 4 in them. I might have missed the first one, I don't know. But there might only be 2 I might have missed. One of ours, I'm gonna need them out. You see any more?
I don't see. I got the one.
Fucking kick me, mother. Fuck.
George Floyd me.
Let's get him checked.
George Floyd me.
Get him checked to get him in
George
the car.
Floyd me, you mother.
Gloves on.
Huh? You gonna George Floyd me?
Shut up.
Come on.
The second suspect now screams, curses, and accuses police of abuse. His anger is out of control. Meanwhile, officers stay professional and try to calm him down.
Yeah.
Don't know what he's doing. Other officer on this thing. Ran her over or what? I'm waiting on that. After this. Trying to. Wait about the car. We're going. Ah! What? Terrible. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, dude. Stop. I don't give a fuck. Car. Ah! You're done playing with you. You understand? You're done playing what you do. Knock it off. Fuck you, motherfucker. Nah, bro. Nah.
Listen,
you guys are nothing.
Listen, we've dealt with each other before,
nothing.
man.
I live in America. I live in America.
So do we.
So do we. Yeah, right? So do we. I live in America,
You gotta
right?
stop drinking, Jeff.
No, I live in America just as you do.
You gotta stop
just
drinking.
as you do. What if I leave this goddamn forsaken country, bro?
Best of luck to you. Wish you nothing but the best.
Yeah.
What's hurting you? Anything?
Yeah, bro.
I'm going to Mexico. Yeah, I'm going to go to Mexico.
It's nice down there.
Cost living's less.
Oh yeah.
No?
One was charged with assault on a police officer, resisting arrest, underage drinking, fake ID possession, and obstruction. Another faced DUI, reckless driving, resisting arrest, and threats.